You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name in Russian. For more Russian names pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. Yulia Navalnya. So in Russian it has an A at the end. Yulia Navalnya. Now many in English say it as Yulia Navalny, but in Russian you do have a gender, let's say, for even surnames, so you change the surname. So Yulia Navalnya or Yulia Navalny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.